Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing a basic head proportion. I will be roughly using a system called the Loomis Method. We're going to start by drawing a circle. Next, draw a vertical line straight through the middle. Then, draw a straight horizontal line through the middle here. This line will be the brow line and the top of the ears. Okay, I'm going to split this upper half into thirds. Make another line right here. This is usually where the hairline is. Then, right about here, at 1/3 of the bottom half, I'm going to make a line from where the base of the nose will be, and bring the line all the way across. This is important because both the nose line and the brow line are nice guides for where the ear usually rests. Now the chin is roughly the same distance from the nose as from the brow line to the nose, so let's mark that distance. So the head is more of an oval than a perfect circle, so we're going to crop it a bit. Let's just erase those lines, and then connect them down to the chin like so. Now, I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. I'm drawing this dark so it will show up nicely on camera. If I were using a pencil or doing this for a real piece of artwork, I would draw this much lighter. To find the line of the eyes, just measure right about in the center or halfway from the top of the head to the bottom of the chin. And let's draw the ears between the lines of the brow and the nose. Speaking of the nose, let's put it right here. This is just an indication of the side planes of the nose. This structure is also great for measuring other proportions. Now, the mouth lines up right about here at the bottom of the circle we first drew. I'm going to erase these lines because it's distracting at this point. From the top of the ear down towards the mouth, all the way down to the chin. This indicates the cheeks and the side planes of the face. Now from the hairline on the sides, let's draw some curved lines like this to indicate the side planes at the temples. And that's it. Now, let's draw the side view of the head. First, let's draw our circle. We will split this down the middle for measurement's sake. Many important measurements come from this line. Let's divide the top half into thirds and mark the top third as our hairline. And again, the bottom into thirds. The lower third will be the nose line. Now I'm going to draw a circle to indicate the flat plane of the side of the head. Now I'll mark the distance to the bottom of the chin. Let's mark the position of the mouth. Now, I'm going to draw a line that indicates the front plane of the face. From the smaller circle to the large circle on the center line, I'm drawing a line at a slight angle, and then from the larger circle to the bottom of the chin, I'll draw a slightly curved line. Again, from the center line between the brow line and the nose line, I'll draw in the ears. Next, I'll draw a line from the top of the ear to the side of the chin. This will indicate the cheekbones and the side planes of the face. Now we will draw an indent on that plane of the face from the brow line to the eye line, and then way back out. Then the upper lip to the mouth line. The bottom lip sticks out a little less than the upper lip, and from the bottom lip, like so, then down to the bottom of the chin. There you have the silhouette of the face. From here, we will draw the eyes on the eye line. This, like with all proportions, is slightly different with each person's unique face, but I'll just draw the eye right about here. Again, the skull isn't a full round circle like this. It's actually more of a bumpy oval. This is important considering where the neck connects to the skull. So, let's chop the circle from the back of the line of the nose toward the ear. Now, the front of the neck starts from the chin, then goes down just before the center line. The back of the neck is about a third of the way on the left half of the bottom of the skull and goes down at an angle. Now the 3/4 view. Let's start with our circle. This is different from the last two in that we are going to draw the inner circle as an ellipse, touching the far end of the large circle. This is that side plane of the head that also indicates the temple, the hairline, and the nose line. Now we are going to split this smaller circle into half horizontally. This is, of course, our brow line. The angle at which you draw this will indicate the tilt of the head. You will carry the line across the front of the circle, like so, imagining it's going over a 3D shape, like the line is wrapping around it. Now, we will draw the vertical line for measurement. I'll now draw the line of the nose. Bottom of the circle for the mouth, then the distance of the mouth to the bottom of the chin. Now we draw the mask of the face. And the jawline from the vertical center line. From the brow line and the top of the ear, draw the line of the cheek and the side plane of the face, all the way down toward the chin. Now I'll indicate the mouth, the nose, the brow, and the hairline. Mark where the eye line will be. From the brow line, let's draw the nose. Now the mouth. Next, let's draw in the eyes and indicate the brows. At this point, I'll clean up a bit and maybe put a little more detail into the silhouette of the face. And lastly, I draw the ear like this. Well friends, that's it as far as the abstraction goes. Here are 3 drawings I did of my own face from these abstractions.